organization boundary, economic, political, legal, social, cultural, international, and technical forces. They are known as the general environment. Okay, before going to the discussion of the slide, I just give you a gist regarding the chapter. There is two types of culture. One is the external chapter and another one is the internal chapter. Internal environment. External environment can be divided into two ways. One is the general environment, another one is the tax environment. What is the general environment? The general environment is that is in a broad way, think in a broad way, that is the political, economical, social, legal issues. And tax environment, that is related to your tax, like your competitor, your suppliers. That's related to your tax environment. What is the internal environment? Your board of trustees, rules, regulation, your employee, that is including in your internal environment. In case of internal environment, you can control it, you can modify it, you can do whatever you want to do. But in case of an external environment, you cannot have any control. So what will you do? Just you will leave it up? No, not that way. In the case of external environment, we have to adopt it, we have to shape ourselves so that we can cope up with this external environment. That is basically is that something that is in your, not in your hand. So you need to better to you shape up yourself and adopt the situation. Sometimes it is said that when you are a giant company or big enough, you can control your external environment also, because that time you have some political influences. Like in our giant company, like if you have a body, association or a regulatory body like BGMA, they have the influence in our government to making their policies and all this stuff because they have big enough. Okay. Then like a big companies like Boshundhara Group, Jamuna Group, because their taxes, their funding is needed for everyone, so they can pass some laws which can benefit them. Like Grameen Phone, when they enter into the Bangladesh, they have make our policy, impose some, make some alteration in our policies and laws in support of them, because they are the giant company. So giving them favor because they are creating employment. Not all the time that is the political parties giving them a favor or something like that. Sometimes it is happen because they are getting the favor because they are creating employment, they are giving taxes, and they have the huge impact on our economy. So for attracting the FDI for the country, sometimes government gave them some facilities. Okay. Now go to this chapter. The general, what I said, that external environment can be divided into two ways. One is the general environment, another one is the tax environment. General environment, everything outside an organization boundary, economic, legal, political, social, cultural, international, technical forces. Tax environment is specific groups, organizations that affect the firms. Internal environment, condition, force, present at work within an organization. That is the pictures of the organization and its environment. For the internal environment, the ORS is owner, board of director, employee, physical environment, and culture. In the tax environment, it is related to your tax. It is supplier, customer, competitor, regulation, and strategic partner. Who is your strategic partner? Strategic partner can be vertically integrated or horizontally integrated. After front side you can be integrated vertically with your suppliers or with your distribution channel. There can be your strategic partners, or someone who can promote you. They can be your strategic partners, or sometimes you can merge with your competitor. So they can be your strategic partner for some event also. Okay. Or sometimes they are becoming merged with themselves because the market, for existing market, the competition is so high. So they have to merge themselves so that they can compete in the market. That's the best example of this Airtel and Robi. Alone they cannot compete in the market, but when they are merged and strategically partner themselves, because they have their own identity, they didn't change themselves. But they are strategic partners, and what they are doing in business in such a way that is flourishing. Then international dimension, the wire. The international laws, sometimes it changes. It doesn't have any control. There is the external element which can affect your business. Like nowadays, the world crisis, the Iran and American war has huge impact on our economy and all over the economy. That is the international dimension which we need to cope up with the situation. Technological dimension, if technology is changing so fast, AI is changing so fast, isn't it? And the world become a global village. You can run your work through the freelancing. If you cannot utilize this scope or this, your product price will be increases. Because it is not necessary that you should employ the person within your region, because through the internet or through the advantage of technology, people can work anywhere of the world. You can take these advantages. That's the technological dimension. So nowadays, most of the job is done by the freelancing in the all over the world. Freelancer done most of the administrative work like selling, like customer service can be done through the internationally through the freelancing, right? And you can give the very less amount of money, because in their legislation, when you pay them in dollar, that is enough for them. Economic dimension, you already understand. If there is inflation rate is high, that time the situation is different. Economic, when there is a low, that is not in your control, but you have to shape yourself. Like Iran war has a huge impact on Bangladesh economy, because the everything price will be increased in a very short period of time, but the real income of the people is not increasing. So what they will do, they will cut off with their spending. They will buy what is very much necessary to, because they don't have the money, because the purchasing power is becoming lower. Social cultural dimension is changed. For a best example of social culture, so nowadays the woman is wearing what quite different from the 20 years back or 30 years back what is woman is wearing. So that type of goods, if you are selling, you need to modify those things, because the social cultural dimension has changed. Political and legal dimension, of course, you understand the political situation, although through go in Bangladesh last few days, and it is politically and what is happening now. International dimension already discussed. Last example of McDonald's. Who is their internal environment? McDonald's has to deal with some external environment. First, we talk about the general environment which McDonald's has to face. In case of international dimension, McDonald's has to restaurants in 115 countries. It is increasing nowadays because the slide is little bit backward times. About the 2/3 of the from outside the United States. Still, it is a United States company, but most of its outlet in outside the US, because it is operating 115. Last year it is 136. Latest information you can Google it, and now you can understand that how much outlet they have now. Economic dimension, modern economic growth, low unemployment, low inflation, that time it is happening. Technology dimension, in power information technology, more efficient operating system. They are operating in 115 because it's the strong supply chain management, because internet, because of they can operate anywhere of the world. You can operate your business through the blockchain system, because it is all of these things are now in there. You can run through your internet ERP system. You can see what is happening in your any outlet. So you have a control over your outlet, isn't it? For example, you are going to open a store in your local area. If the accounts, you can see it in regulation, why they are punching in your why there is a barcode in every product. This is the example of base supply chain blockchain, because in the store everything is a barcode, so that it is linked with your software. Anything is selling, it is hitting that place. If any product is missing, you have a control, because what is happening to my product, why it is missing, you can ask it. What type of strong control you have. You are not, for controlling this, you don't have to present in your store, because of the information technology give you the power. Doesn't mean that information will give you the CCTV and footage and all these things can see your people. No, not like that. This is information technology has given you so much power that you can control your product inventory management so well that one product is said it is hit anywhere of that. Not only this also help you to learn when you have to purchase. When you have to again purchase your raw material, when you start your processing of production also. Because in every store, sales is accommodated in one place. Now it is, if it is in certain level low, so I go for the production. That time I go for the purchasing for my raw material. So everything is, you have this time. So you have to get a lead time. So how technology can give you power to run your business more smoothly, more efficiently, and more effectively. So it also increases your warehouse cost, because nowadays you don't have to store so much product that you know how your product sale is happening, when the product need to go for the productions, when you have to place the product in the store. So if you have a proper lead time, your warehouse cost is also decreases. One technological advancements give you such a wonderful power. Social cultural dimension, demographic shift, number of people, single to adult, well-income families. Now the demographic profile is tremendously changed. Dual earner family, that means the father and mother both are working. So when both are working, sometimes they have to rely on the fast food and the other thing. They are just purchase the product and get back to home and give it to their children, so that when they are exhausted, they are not hungry at all. Growing concern about health and nutrition, that will also affect, because nowadays people are not like to eat so fast food so much. So you need to introduce veggie burgers, less fat burgers, or zero sugar Coke. All these things you have to introduce, because people are now become very much health cautious. Political and legal dimension, government food standard is increasing, local zoning requirements, growing pressure to reward business regulations, and how the regional has affected you. In India, you have to introduce veggie burger, because some people are vegetarians over there. Nowadays, all of the world it is infected, because there is a vegan concept is coming. People are not eating the meats at all, so we have to introduce it anyway. But McDonald has the advantages, because when they operate in India, they have to introduce it 10 or 12 years before. Because in India, most of the near about their 50% people are vegetarians, so they have to introduce these things. That is all about the McDonald's. In case of Bangladesh, I have need to explain it. Just if you can open your eye, you can see your surrounding that. Nowadays, before that, when you think about the Polish post restaurant, we think about Chinese. Few years back, it is come to the Korean one, and some Italian stuff like pizza, pasta is introducing, and that is the very fancy restaurant. And people used to go there and try their food. But how social demographical changes happen? Nowadays, people going to the Bangla restaurant, and it is the hype of creating is the Bangla restaurant, because of the dual earner family. The women now is more, I don't say the more educated, and they are more in our working population, so they don't have enough time to prepare that type of food. But as a native, as a Bangladeshi, we have an urge to eating of this type of food. Nowadays, people are going to the restaurant and eating plain rice, plain dal, bharta bhaja, all this stuff. And this is the very much creating a very much hype. What these things happen? Before that, after, if you offer this in 15 or 20 years back, nobody will go to this fancy restaurant for eating rice. Plain rice with dal, bharta bhaji, with a high price. Because that time socio-demographic and condition is total difference, and now the scenario is very much different. So how social cultural changes impact you and your business? McDonald's tax environment. What is McDonald's tax environment? Competitor, obviously Burger King, Wendy's, Subway's restaurant. The Subway restaurants also their competitor because they are selling the product in very low price. Most of the women are selling this type of things. Dairy Queen shop, Dairy Queen, that means the superstore. In there is a rack, there is selling some type of fast food. In Sharmin, if you go to the Sharmin, there is a rack which is the butter buns, like samosas, then rolls, this type of chicken rolls and mini burger they are selling in a rack, and this also their competitor. Because when a woman go to purchases, or when a woman or man go to purchases and her grocery into that store, they part. Again, I go to the fast food and park my car and buy the product. Let's buy it from here. Together I can enter into my home without wasting any time. That become your competitor. You think that how they can become my competitor? What is the quality of my bargain and there? Because they are offering very much homemade food. The women who are making their homemade food and they are selling in the superstore. How they become my competitor? Because still they will compete. One thing is that it is the convenient for the people to buy it. Another thing is that it's homemade. There is a click that they have a homely flavor over there. Sometimes we are influenced by that flavor and we are very nostalgic. How this Bangladeshi experience has become nowadays very popular because it creates some nostalgia feeling about us. Oh my, when I go to my Nanabari or Dadabari, I eat these things and let's have a try. Long period I didn't taste it again. Or some people like, oh my mother used to cook it and she is not available anymore or she is died, so let's have a try in case of our cases that we think that let's go, and or our mom is in ages, almost very aged person, so they will not enter into the kitchen more frequently. So we are missing that food which is made by our mother. So we have an art that we have an art in our mind that let's have a try this food, and they create a nostalgic feeling among the people, and they are selling your feelings in such a way and such a high price nowadays. And this is all about business. Customer, individual consumer, institutional consumer also. If you can get some corporate clients who have the meeting times, you can sell it. That's how your customer. Supplier, Coca-Cola, wholesale food processing and packaging. Wholesale, you need to chicken, beef, and they are used the supplier who is whole goods supplier. Strategic partner, Walmart, who are selling the Disney, and foreign partners. Disney has said, you are strategic partner, you are selling Disney's cartoons, and they are selling McDonald's burger, and free gift over there so that you can attract the kids. Regulation, Food and Drug Administration, Security Exchange, Commission, Environment Protection Agency need to give attention to those also. The internal environment owner, board of director, employee, and physical work environment what you are offering. That's all for today. Now you will start your presentation. Okay. Close for now. After the video,